Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and I used my Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. You guys saw that I hauled this, and the colors that I used I held up in the video. Everything I used I held up in the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. One thing I didn't tell you, and that's what's on my lips. I'm wearing Vex by It's Your Face Cosmetics, and it's just this color here, and this is all over my lips. This is all I have on my lips. I could have gone with the ombre look, but I did that recently. I didn't want to do a repeat of it, and yeah, so I'm just doing this very matte lip, and yeah, it's drying because it's a pencil, so but I don't mind at all. And as usual, I'm just wearing my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, and the color that I used today was Dim Light. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much again for your support. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for your prayers, my babies. Thank you so much, Milo. Thank you so much for your prayers. Thank you for emailing me, for reaching out to me. Thank you. I really truly, I have some of the best supporters ever, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. I have some of the best supporters.
Yeah, a J project. So yo, I'm at the production. Hey J Crazy, I got a link. What you say? It's serious enough. I link your life. You know what I mean? Stronger than any chain link. Yeah. I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. I'm a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. It's like something did a fight me. White squall and broke pocket nest did a bite me. Believe me, it follow me daily and nightly. Till me link the king, yet the king will wipe away since plus him died for you, me, Miss Ivy. And him richer than the Bill Gates and the one we own Nike. Figure to tell us that him rose against Superman. I have nothing for me link my friends, so no, I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Please got him do it so easy. Let me tell you this. Girls, yes, me love them. Hourglass shape with some silky chocolate skin. Trust me, I can't get enough of them. But me link, me know a few things. They say, ooh, find a wife, find a good thing. Plus a Adam and Eve, not Adam, Palettte and Venice. Now the bag a girl something. So it's Christine in my life and she love Jesus Christ. So me tell her about my link. I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. It's like something did a fight me. White squall and broke pocket nest did a bite me. Believe me, it follow me daily and nightly. Till me link the king, yet the king will wipe away since plus him died for you, me, Miss Ivy. And him richer than the Bill Gates and the one we own Nike. Figure to tell us that him rose against Superman. I have nothing for me link my friends, so no, I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. I'm a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. My armor make me stand firm, despite the situation. Yeah, J Project. Firmer than a million soldier ready for launch attack. Firmer than the Eiffel Top. Firmer than when you press your clothes and you use starch a lot. firmer than the escape. What a suck the manga, me a talk a lot. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus like he's your Siamese twin. And never depart from him, never stay far from him, and never you surrender. Stand firm with everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm. Like the great wall down of China, me Satan get behind her. Blessed is the man that walking up with the ungodly. We never join that. See up on the right path, never slide back. Never use someone, never lie back. Pick yourself up off the ground when Satan want you never hear back. When they are you, me want the side. Want me one of them sheep because nothing now when me Clyde. Not support terrorism, I act terrorism. This stand firm just like the youth them with them a hunting a Al Qaeda. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus like he's your Siamese twin. And never depart from him, never stay far from him, and never you surrender. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis, all the robber we stand. I beg you stand firm. No way, no, no way, no, no, no. So Satan can't pierce my armor, no way, not this a warrior. So Satan can't pierce my armor, no way. Stand up strong, call me just inna the armor. Any trick where the devil come with him have to run, cause me feel strong inna the Father. Ever ready like a soldier, me no push over. Sometimes me wonder why him try be parter. By the end of this war, you bound to be the loser. Listen to Christian recruiter, sign up now, cause you know you gotta be a soldier. Oh, you read eat up the word just like a nerd, cause you gotta be a soldier. And if you want going to turn, see Jesus first, cause you gotta be a soldier. My arm on my dangerous, Satan not be afraid of us. Soldier. Jesus Christ, I recruit armor, put on the suit. Belt of truth, I put on right. Breastplate of righteousness on tight. This ain't no 3-star, but trust me, star. The sword is sharp and it ready if you want fight. All day me war and all night. I'm in a black, but me just up in a all white. The battlefield with my shield of face, so me know everything gonna be alright. Oh, when you read, eat up the word, just like a nerd, cause you gotta be a soldier. And if you walk when you turn, see Jesus first, cause you gotta be a soldier. My arm on my dangerous, Satan not be afraid of us. Soldier. Jesus Christ, I recruit armor from put on the suit. Soldiers marching out, tell them never win a play. Move from in front of our way. Soldiers marching out, we're marching out, yeah. Soldiers marching out, tell them never win a play. Move from in front of our way. Soldiers marching out. The word is like a nerd, cause you gotta be a soldier. And if you want when to turn, see Jesus first, cause you gotta be a soldier. My armor, my dangerous. Satan, not be afraid of us. Soldier, Jesus Christ, I recruit armor, fun, put on the suit. Stand up strong, calm, me just inna the armor. Any trick where the devil come, with him have to run. Cause me feel strong inna the Father. Ever ready like a soldier, me no push over. Sometimes me wonder why him try be parter. By the end of this war, you bound to be the loser. Listen to Christian recruiter, sign up now, cause you know you gotta be a soldier. When you read, eat up the word just like a nerd, cause you gotta be a soldier. And if you want when to turn, see Jesus first, cause you gotta be a soldier. My armor, my dangerous, Satan not be afraid of us. Soldier, Jesus Christ, I recruit armor, fun, put on the suit. Soldier, when you read, eat up the word just like a nerd, cause you gotta be a soldier. And if you want when to turn, see Jesus first, cause you gotta be a soldier. My armor, my dangerous, Satan not be afraid of us. Soldier, Jesus Christ, I recruit armor, fun, put on the suit.
Yo, armor. Tell some people level. Jesus, me say no. Can't come this far, God. Yo, hey, Mr. Eden. Me have few words to talk to you now. Hey, no, shut that down. Yo, Armor International. Tell some people, hey, me no care if you're bad from birth. Coulda be the wickedest man on earth. Your gun coulda all make the light post church. Me I tell you only Father God is the birth. No, he coulda grew up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda fi hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda all make the light post church. Armor tell them, hey, you coulda tick like 10 to come on. Think you are the toughest thing. My bills in flying pan. You coulda blow like industrial fan. Your foot coulda bang like a dust. Run like any fan. Me no care if you turn Superman. Yeah, the super.